Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going bird, rabbit. Well, I'm just really going hunting for anything except like big game, I'm going hunting for like rabbits to birds to whatever, like I'm not gonna be able to shoot like a hog or a deer. Why would I shoot a deer with a pellet gun? Deer. I'm not looking for anything real big, just birds and pretty much rabbits. Just really pretty much all I'll go for. But if I see anything that I want to shoot, I'll shoot it. But I don't even know if I'll be able to see anything. I've already tried to make this video once. We didn't see anything, so I decided to move on and go try a different spot. I think I got a spot that's actually gonna have a bunch of birds and rabbits. I'm not sure though. So yeah. Wish those birds were my power line. Though. But like no birds come to my power line. Sucks. Alright, so usually they come up, but right now, especially those rabbits, So I'm gonna go find this setup. Gee. I got my gun loaded. I think I do. I don't even know if I got my gun loaded. Right. So I need to really watch out, dude. I'm afraid there's gonna be a hog coming on at me. Right. I don't really know. I don't really know where to set up at. I'm asking my mom if I can walk to stand 6. I'm gonna walk to fucking stand 6. That stand right up. I think it's 6. I'm not sure. But dang, Daniel. But I'd get so much birds if I was able to go to stand 6. But I'm not able to. So I'm probably gonna go just find a good spot to set up where there might be a bunch of birds. But who knows? So, I don't know what to do. Whoa. Mom's boyfriend is over there mowing. I wish I could go with my Popo. When he used to work, he's really sick now. But when he used to work, he used to go plow like fields, with the power and well, there used to be these bunnies that used to or rabbits that used to come out just take off running, dude. There's Blue. See Blue, guys? If he follows me, if he sees this gun, camera fell off the tripod. Sorry. Put this back on. Alright, guys, I turned off the video because I wasn't seeing anything. So, I paused the video because I wasn't seeing anything and my gun wasn't even freaking loaded. Cherry! She's over there playing with Blue. She's gonna get God up in her mind. Come here, guys. Alright. Guys, I don't want to freaking see one bird. One freaking bird. Bird, 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 bird. Bird, guys, bird. And I just let the mother get fly. You know what? I'm just gonna go do some target practice. No birds are coming up. I'm gonna set y'all guys up and I'll do some target practicing, alright? If I see a bird on the way down, I'll be pissed. I'm really mad right now because I was expecting to see at least one thing. That's what I was hoping for, at least one thing, But nothing, guys. Nothing. I didn't even get to get one shot off at anything. So I guess I'll just freaking start doing some target practice. Dude, I did so much target practices for this video, and I just don't know. I wish there was freaking a bird, just one bird. One bird! I swear, if I come back and there's tons of birds, alright, come on, guys. Alright, so I'll see you. Alright, guys, I gotta be really loud. Of course, we got someone mowing, and here. That's the target. Here, let me zoom in. Let it focus. Alright, that's the target. Set you down. I'm gonna set you down right here. Oh my God, alright, so if you see it like wiggle like forward and backward, that means I hit it. Alright, so I got my gun loaded. There you go. Alright, first shot. Here I go. Got it. That's one, guys. I got that one. Number 2. There I go. Steady bit. That's 2. Alright. 2 in a row so far. No fear, mash, Dumbos don't care. Love tucking away, so Louis Jackson had another pass. Here we go. Number 3. See if I can get 3 in a row. Oh, I missed the last one, guys. Why? I don't even think my gun shot on that one. I know, but I don't know if the bullet came out. Bullet even come out? Bullet came out. I don't know. Alright. Shot number 4. Leave in the comments how many I get. So I'm not keeping count anymore. Leave in the comments how many I get. Alright, here we go. Shot number 4, I think. Here we go. Missed again. Started off perfect. Oh, it's just turned. Ah! That hurt. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, here we go. Shot number, I don't know. Tell me how many I hit in the comments. Alright, guys. Fudge. That's pretty much it for today's video. Please drop a like if you subscribed. And if I can get this video, since I have 3 subscribers, 3 likes from all of you subscribers. I think my subscribers are Talon Ogre, Jordan Andrews, Dal Chapman. Shout out to all them, all y'all. And please drop a like. And if you're new, please subscribe. Till next time. Bye.